have here in front of me is part of a relict marsh. The relict marsh is about 500 years old, and it's eroding now out of this area that's a beach right behind me. What's really interesting about it is the plants that are growing out of this surface are modern plants. So you have modern plants that are growing on a 500-year-old marsh. And you can see that these are some of the living examples of those plants right here. So what's very interesting about this is that there are fiddler crab burrows that go down into the marsh surface here. Those are 500 years old. And then you have traces being made by the roots of these modern plants that are cutting across those of the fiddler crabs. So it's a mixing of 500-year-old and modern traces in the same substrate. If this preserved in the geologic record, you might not think about that. You might think that it's all one happy community, that these plants and the fiddler crabs were living at the same time. But they actually were displaced by about 500 years.